Solve this one. Find the product of the quantity of 2x minus 1 times the quantity of x minus 3. So, apply tayo ng FOIL method. First, outer, inner, and last. So, dito muna tayo sa first. Multiply natin yan. So, that is 2x squared. Then, outer. Si 2x, multiply natin kay negative 3x. So, magiging negative 6x. Then, inner. Ito, negative 1. Multiply natin kay x. So, that is negative x. Then, last tayo. Si negative 1, multiply natin kay negative 3. So, that is plus 3 or positive 3. Then, combine like terms. Kopyahin muna natin yung 2x squared. Then, dito, si negative x plus negative x, negative 6x plus negative x, that is negative 7x. Then, kopyahin natin yung plus 3. Okay, so sa choices natin, letter C is the correct